Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm having fun with a cool song from NEFFEX, one of the latest Control. So I know there are many NEFFEX fans out there, and I'm one of them, right? So let's rock this together. Control, we're gonna do that together with a capo set on 4th fret. That is the absolute best scenario for us. And with that, we have 4 different chords, and one of these chords we will have 2 versions of it to handle all the cool melodies and so on going on in the NEFFEX like they usually do in his songs called notes, of course. So let's go into this one, guys. Capo on 4th, let's go with the chords first, and we have A minor here. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Okay, that's the A minor. Next chord is the F, okay? And this is the chord I talk about. We have 2 versions of it. We have one full version with the bar. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And I would use this one when we just play the straight strumming without any notes built in or so. This will be great, okay? But we also have a shorter version, kind of a F major 7 thing going on here. So we have 3rd fret on D string, 2nd G, 1st B, and then you have that E string open there to handle the notes, the melodies going on here. So that will be the grip, these 3, 3rd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. So 2 different versions. This is the shorter one of them. Now let's leave the F department and go into G. And that will be 3rd fret E string, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and the last one will be C. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's start from the beginning with the verse. We have this very intense melody. I'm gonna give it to you. It's not necessarily that you're gonna play all these notes. I just want to handle you all the tools. So for A minor, we're gonna play this pattern, and then this pattern will kind of reproduce itself later on with all the other chords or so. So you will understand. Let's go into A minor part, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna alternate a lot of bass notes with this 4 melody notes, okay? So you're gonna play the bass note for A minor is open A string, okay? So you're gonna play first 2 times on that, then the 3rd fret high E, that's the first melody note, and then you play 3 times on this bass note, which is the open A, and then comes the next melody note, which is this 1st fret high E. Then again, 3 times on the bass. Then comes the 3rd note, which is the open high E. Then 3 times on the bass. And the 4th and final is this 1st fret E string again. And you finish off with 1 bass. So 2 bass, melody note, 3 bass, melody note, 3 bass, melody note, 3 bass, melody note, 1 bass. That is the pattern. So slowly. Okay. Now, the next thing here going on in the verse play when it comes to just melody is the F chord, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 times on the 3rd fret D string, which is now the new bass note here. It's the F chord. So 2 times on that, and then comes this 3rd fret high E. Then 3 times on the bass note. Then 1st fret high E. Then 1 time on bass. And you finish that F part, and you go now into the G and play 3rd fret high E, not high E bass notes. So that note for 2 times, and then the high E, open, then 3 times again on the bass note, then 1st fret high E, and then finish off with 1 bass note. And that is one round of the melody. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this A minor to F to G like this slowly. Okay, so the verse is going for 8 rounds, the first verse, okay? So you can play this melody, but that will be pretty intense and yeah, too much to handle and so on. So therefore we have a strumming pattern. So if you grab the full chord again, go back to A minor and play this. Okay, so that is one strumming round. You're gonna play down, up, down, up. Then clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. We're gonna play A minor, 2 rounds, then F1 and G1. And that's one chord progression round for 8 rounds. So melody or strumming, it's up to you. And for this F now, I mentioned it before, when you have just the strumming, I would go for the full bar chord. So one round goes like this. Again. Okay, so there you have it. That's the verse play, 8 rounds, and then into the pre-chorus happens about 1 minute and 4 seconds in. And there's a time, that's where on the lyrics. Now we will have new strumming pattern for this one and also new chord progression. So the chord progression now will be A minor to C to F and to G. So first just the strumming, and I will teach you how to get the notes built in here as well. First the strumming. If you grab the first chord A minor, you're gonna play down, down, clap, down. That's it. That's one round. So down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord here. So A minor 2, C2, F2, G2, like this. You're gonna do it for 2 rounds. So you can go that route, and you can also build in the melody notes here. And the melody notes will always be the same here. We had 4 of them, remember? It goes from 3rd fret high E, then to 1st E, then to open E, and back to 1st E. So, okay? So it's the same melody note there. These 4. Okay, everything else on the high E string. So now you can also use this strumming pattern we just learned for the pre-chorus, down, down, clap, down, and get the melody notes built in there, all right? So how do you do it? So we have the melody notes on the 2nd down. So imagine you have this strumming pattern, down, down, clap, down. So you have the bass first, then the 2nd down. There you hit this first melody note, the 3rd fret high E. Then comes the clap, and you finish off the strumming first round with a down, and there comes the 2nd melody note, which is the 1st fret high E. So it will be down, melody, clap, melody notes. Okay, so okay. Hope that makes sense. You're gonna play 2 rounds. So the next round, you're gonna use the same pattern here to get the next 2 melody notes. Okay, so the 2nd down again, you're gonna hit the 3rd melody note, which is the open high E. And the last down, you go back and play the final 4th melody note, which is the 1st fret high E. So slowly with this A minor chord, it will be like this. And you just follow that pattern for the next chords. So C in the same way. And now when it comes to F, it's hard to get these melody notes with this full bar chord. That is the reason for us having the shorter version of F. So you go with this. And G. You don't hold the full chord as it is like that. It's enough to actually just get the bass note, okay? There's the 3rd fret E string, and then you have the possibility to run the melody with other fingers, so. Okay, so that is 1 round. You play it for 2 rounds. So when you play the bass note, the first down in strumming, make sure if you can to get not just the bass note, try to get the full chord, so. You can start with just the bass, but once you get comfortable with it, you can actually go and get the full chord. It gives you more depth to the playing here. So. That's a little bit there, and I'm aware of that, but anyway, that's how you handle it. And notice in the end here, I play actually downstrokes even for the melody notes. I didn't pick it because they are all on the high E string, so it's very simple to get the notes right there. You just go all the way down, so. So on. All right, sounds cool. Okay, now that is the pre-chorus. Now into the chorus, and happens about 1 minute and 30 seconds in. You have now the same chord progression as the pre-chorus. You can actually stick with this string pattern, or you can use the one we use in the verse play, because this chorus is more intense than the pre-chorus play. So therefore, we can use this down, up, clap up, down, up to even try to get the melody notes. It's hard to get it very correct, but yeah, you do. You have to kind of get a little bit from that and get a little bit from that and just mix it up together. It will not be 100%. You're only one person, one guitar, but yes, it's playable. So you can use the down, up, clap up, down, up, and try to get the melodies as much as you can. It will sound something like this with the same chord progression: A minor, C, F, and G. Gonna play that for 2 rounds, okay? And that is the first round of everything. The second round is pretty much repetition. You play another 8 rounds of that verse play. You play 2 rounds in the pre-chorus, and you double up in the last chorus. You play 4 rounds instead of 2. And guess what, guys? NEFFEX control is yours. You have full control of this song. You have all the tools, the 4 chords with 2 versions of F, different string patterns, melody, all that good stuff. And you can play. So yes, I'm happy to perform this one for you guys. I hope to get something back. So give me a like, comment, everything is appreciated. So thank you for being here. Till next time, play tuned.